Hi, this is Abhi from RiPixel, and today I will show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So, deleting a Facebook account is pretty simple. You just have to go to settings and navigate to the delete account option. So let's get into it. First, open Facebook application on your mobile phone. You can also do this on a browser or anything, but we are going to use Facebook app. So choose Facebook on your mobile phone. This will instantly open up your Facebook feed. Here, you will see different options at the top. Simply click on the option that is this profile icon at the top right. Now, it will show up this page, that is the menu page. Here, you're going to scroll down and click on the option under Help and Support, that is Settings and Privacy. Now, click Settings under Settings and Privacy and it will take you to this page. On this page, click on this Meta Account Center option and it will take you to this page. Here, click Personal Details under Account Setting. It will show you your personal details like contact info, birthday, and at the bottom, you will see account ownership and control. Click on that option and this will take you to this page. Here, you can see you have the option to delete or deactivate your account. Click on this option. Now, it will ask you to select what would you like to delete or deactivate permanently. So, all the accounts you would have connected with your Facebook account, like your Instagram account or any Meta account, will be shown here. Simply choose the Facebook account that you want to delete. Now, it will ask you whether you want to deactivate your account temporarily, through which you can re-enable it later, or delete your account permanently, through which you cannot recover it later. So choose delete account because we are going to permanently delete it and click Continue. Make sure you choose delete, not deactivate. After you click continue, it will show up the options. Meta will ask you why are you deleting your account. You can choose any reason you want. I will simply choose I just need a break. Now click on continue and this will show up this page. Here, Meta will ask you again, would you like to deactivate your account instead of deleting? Simply choose no, because if you choose deactivate, it will not permanently delete it. So click no, continue with deletion, and this will take you to this page. Here, you can choose to keep Messenger and deactivate instead, or choose to save the posts in your archive but delete your Facebook account and choose to export your information. So it will show up how many photos and posts you have. Click on export info if you want to export your information before deleting, and you can click on create export and choose export to device or export to external servers, and you'll be able to download the information before deleting. After you do that, you can click the continue option at the bottom of this page. That was permanently delete account. Click continue and it will take you to the password page. So here you'll have to basically enter your Facebook password in order to continue. And if you don't remember your password, click on forgot password button. Now it will send you a code via WhatsApp, SMS or any other means that you would have access to. Click continue, get your OTP, enter it, make a new password and enter that password in this field. And if you simply remember your password, just enter your Facebook password, click continue, click yes, and your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. So that is the simple way through which you can delete your Facebook account permanently. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.